Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. Today we are here on this flat piece of tarmac for a drag race between the old school and the new technology. We have the Burgman Street 125 versus the Ather 450X, and this is going to be our battleground. So the results are clear in front of you. The Ather 450X has immense amount of performance. No 125cc scooter can touch it on road. In fact, we got a chance to ride my NS200 against the Ather 450X, and the results were astonishing because the Ather 450X was faster in 0 to 40, and in 0 to 60 they were almost neck to neck, but the Ather 450X was still faster. But after that the NS takes over. So you can easily say that the Ather 450X has a performance better or equivalent to the 200cc motorcycle. And that's it from this drag race. So the Ather is cheaper to own and better in performance, and that's what we wanted you to know. So I hope this drag race was enjoyment for you. Do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you never miss out great content from Rev Explorers. We'll be back with a new video. Until then, you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter and reach out for your questions and queries. In fact, you can put it in the comment section below. We'll see you soon. Till that time, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.